Hey guys, welcome to my home. I am Darcy McKee. I'm going to do a lesson on sunflowers today. I have some lovely helpers. We have Abigail, Adrian, and Nate McKee, my children. And this lesson's geared for pre-K students, but since I don't have any pre-K students, my children get to help us. So, sunflowers. Guys, what do we know about sunflowers?
They have many root systems.
They have a bunch of roots.
And they grow once and then you can replant them.
Oh, they're annuals. They grow once, you can replant them. Nate, what do you know about sunflowers?
Seeds that you can
Yeah,
They have,
you plant just one seed, and then as you see that one right there, all the itty bitty seeds, like thousands of itty bitty seeds come out.
all right, yes.
Out of the one.
So we have sunflowers in different stages. We have a sunflower that is fully grown. In fact, if you look, you can see the sunflower seeds that come out. Would you like to taste a sunflower seed? Adrian, would you like a sunflower seed to taste? Nate, do you want to taste a sunflower seed? All right, so we have the sunflower seed. You can see the sunflower, you can see how big it is. And then we have a sunflower. You can't see it, but you can see the lovely little yellow petals that are on it and the inside, and this is right when it's growing. And then we have this new little bitty sunflower. Hey, come here, see, so they can see the roots. The roots of the sunflower, those are an important part. And this sunflower just sprouted. So we have the sunflower in all its different stages. We have it in its complete form, we have it in its middle form, and then we have it in its beginning form. All right, so we already talked about the sunflower a little bit. It's annual, it grows in stages. Do you know why they call a sunflower a sunflower?
Because it follows its head follows the sun.
Its head follows the sun.
Like if the sun was on that side, the sunflower would be facing that way.
That's right. Okay, so, oh, and did you know that sunflowers are native to North America? Like, they're really not in other countries. They're like native to North America. Isn't that
They're
cool?
native to our home.
All right, so sunflowers have a whole bunch of different things, but the main things that sunflowers have are the petals, stem, leaves, and if you look at this one, look, we grow sunflowers every year. Look how big the sunflower is, and look at the roots. Those are so cool. They go all the way down, and look how tall this is. And before it got heavy with the seeds, this was way taller over my head. Sunflowers are so cool. You can eat the sunflower seeds. Birds can eat the sunflower seeds. You can plant the sunflower seeds and they'll grow. Yes.
Well, when the sunflowers grow and they do that, you can always take some out and replant them so they can grow again.
That's right. Okay, so we are going to read a book. It's called The Amazing Life Cycle of Plants. It's by Kay Barnum and it's illustrated by Maddie Frost. The Amazing Life Cycle of Plants. Look around you. How many plants and flowers and trees and grasses can you see? These natural beauties grow over and over again. But how do they do it? Get ready to dig deep and find out more about the amazing life cycle of a plant. A seed is a baby plant. It's wrapped in a shell to keep it safe until it's time to grow. There are lots of different types of seeds. Avocado stones, apple seeds, acorns are all seeds. For a seed to grow, everything must be just right. There must be enough water, heat, and light, as well as the right type of soil. When the seed cracks open, roots grow down, and a shoot grows up. This sunflower seed has turned into a seedling. And if you look, there's the little roots, and then there's seeding, just like this one. Look, it's the same. How cute is that? The shoot grows taller and thicker. Soon it becomes a plant stem. The stem is strong enough to support the plant as it grows bigger and more leaves appear. It also carries water and food from the roots. These will help the plant grow. The plant's leaves are very important. They take in a gas called carbon dioxide. When this gas mixes with water and sunlight, it makes a sugary food for the plant. Now the plant has energy to grow. The leaves give out another gas called oxygen. Humans need oxygen to survive. Once the plant is fully grown, flowers appear. First there's the bud. Slowly this opens to show the petals. Flowers are bright and bold. They have a strong smell. This makes it easy for bees and butterflies and other creatures to find them. Deep inside the flower, there's a sweet liquid called nectar. Bees use this to make honey. Insects drink it to give them energy. As they hunt for nectar, creatures carry pollen from flower to flower. Pollen also floats through the air in the wind. It is because of pollen that flowers make seeds. It is important that seeds do not fall straight down. If they land in the plant's shade, seeds will not grow. Instead, the plant scatters its seed far and wide. When seeds travel to many different places, more of them might grow into new plants. Oh, and did you know with sunflowers, the birds will take these seeds, they will take them a long way away, and then the seed will fall on the ground, and that's how we can get more sunflowers. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Seeds scatter in different ways. The wind might blow them away. Seeds might float on the tide. Sometimes seed pods burst and fire their seeds outward. Animals scatter seed too. When they eat fruit, the seeds hidden inside travel through the animal and out the other end. Did you know that some trees and plants need fire to survive? This giant redwood tree does not release its seeds until there's a fire. The heat makes the pine cones open. Ash from the fires makes the soil a perfect place for a new tree to grow. Plants such as ferns, mosses, and algae do not grow seeds. They grow tiny, round spores instead. The wind blows spores away from the plant. Some land on damp places, and if spores land nearby, a brand new plant may start to grow. A plant's life cycle is the time it takes to grow from seed to flower, scatter the seeds, and die. The life cycle of some plants just take weeks. Others might live for a year. The life cycle of a Madagascar palm tree is almost 100 years long. The life cycle of plants are very important to farmers and gardeners. Farmers need to know when to sow crops and when they will be ready to harvest. Gardeners need to know what to plant so that their gardens are colorful year-round. Okay, isn't that a good book?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you look at this, our big mature sunflower, we planted them in May, around right when school got out. And it grew and grew and grew and grew. And we're to September, and we are just now getting to eat the seeds and everything. So sunflowers don't take very long to grow, but long enough. So right now we get, if I were in a class, I would give the kids Play-Doh, and then they would make their own sunflowers, but my kids already made them, and we're going to do an activity with them. And then I would give the kids crayons and paper to draw and decorate their own plates, but my kids already made theirs in advance. So what we're going to do, I want you to get a couple seeds out, and then I want you to count the seeds.
Oh,
You don't have to. get some seeds out and we're gonna count the
I
seeds.
won't fell on my head.
One fell on your head.
I just wanted to slide.
You're falling on my head.
Seed.
Hundreds, several hundred seeds on one.
Yeah. Think of what 7 had on them.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of seeds.
Yeah.
All right, now go. How many do you have?
I have
2 on her head.
Okay. Now why don't you put them on your Play-Doh sunflower and count your seeds?
I already made mine.
And I want you to look. See, we have a plant here.
1, 2, 3,
I have 15.
4, 5, 6, 7.
7 seeds. And we have this one my daughter made. It has the seed and it goes all the way up to where it's ready to be harvested.
Shows every stage.
Every stage. And then you can see this one where he made the roots. And you can see the sunflower and the stem and the leaves and the roots. So, okay. Now, how many parts of the sunflower do we have, guys?
4.
4 parts of a
No,
sunflower.
5.
Well, we're just going to call it 4 for now.
Because look, well actually 6. Because there's the seeds, there's the
The
leaves,
petals.
and the bark of it, and the
I don't know about all that. Okay, some additional resources. It's always nice to have additional resources. We have the Amazing Life Cycle of Plants that we have, and we also have a book called Seed to Plant. It has really lovely pictures that the kids can come up and read on their own. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope y'all learned something.